Let's do some practice to get familiar with the editor interface. We have already created our empty project, so now let's start adding things. In your scene panel, select 3D scene as the root node. Now it should look like this. Rename node 3D to demo. You can do it by double clicking on node 3D, or you can right click and choose rename. Next we are going to save the scene. Press Ctrl S to save it. You can give it a custom name, but I'll leave it as demo.tscn and press save. So what is .tscn mean? Every scene in Godot is saved as a tscn file. It's like a container that holds all your nodes and their settings. After saving, you will see your demo.tscn file in the file system panel. In Godot, nodes are the building blocks of everything. Each node has its own job, like showing a 3D model, playing a sound, or handling physics. You connect and organize them to make your game. In this scene, demo is our root node. We can add child nodes under it to build the game. Right click on the root node and click add child node. Now create new node window will pop up. Search for static body 3D, then click create. Now let's add another child node. This time under the static body 3D node. Right click on static body 3D, choose add child node. Search for mesh instance 3D and click create. Now it should look like this. When you select mesh instance 3D in the scene panel, you will notice the inspector changes to show its properties. Here you will see a mesh property. It's empty by default, so that's why you can't see anything in the viewport. Click the little arrow next to it and choose box mesh. Now you should see a box in the viewport. That's what a mesh does. Let's add another child node for the static body 3D. You can right click and add it like before, or use Ctrl A to open the create new node window quickly. Now search for collision shape 3D and click create. In the inspector, set the shape property to box shape 3D. You should now see a little box outline. That's the collision area. Rename static body 3D to the box. You can do it by right click rename or simply double click on the node. You can also delete, copy or duplicate nodes using the right click menu. It's a good time to clarify these terms: root, parent and child. In Godot, everything is built in a tree structure. Each node can have a parent and one or more children. This helps organize your project clearly. The root node is the topmost node in the scene. Everything else in the scene is connected to it in some way. A parent node is any node that has one or more child nodes under it. A child node is node that is attached under another node. This structure helps Godot know how things relate to each other. For example, if you move the parent, all its children move with it. In our example, demo is the root node. The box has two child nodes, mesh instance 3D and collision shape 3D. Those two nodes share same parent, which is the box. And the box itself has a parent, demo, the root node. Let's talk about one of the most important areas, the viewport. This is where you build your levels and see your game world. You will find tools at the top for move, rotate and scale. You can also navigate using your mouse. You can right click and drag to look around, and hold right click, use WASD keys to move the camera like in a first person game, and you can hold shift while moving to move faster. You can use scroll wheel to zoom in and out, and middle click and drag to pan, and press F to focus the selected object. The colored arrows in the viewport shows the axis. Don't worry about mastering everything now. You will naturally get better using the viewport as we go. It's not hard, just keep practicing and have fun. You will get comfortable faster than you think.